Today, we invite you to discover the ultimate in luxury and power the 2015 GMC Yukon XL Denali from Cow's Motor Group. Beneath the sleek gray exterior lies a powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine that provides impressive torque and horsepower for a smooth, confident driving experience. The automatic 6-speed transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the robust 4x4 Denali Edition is designed to tackle any terrain with ease. Step inside this exquisitely appointed 4-Doctor Savvy, and you'll be greeted by an inviting tan interior that offers luxury and comfort for every journey. With a spacious cabin and advanced amenities, the Yukon XL Denali is perfect for families or those who appreciate the finer things in life. Featuring just 139,707 miles on its odometer, this used but meticulously maintained GMC Yukon XL Denali offers a rare opportunity to experience premium luxury and performance at an exceptional value. We have 3 convenient locations to serve you better. Sitting pretty at 1000 Jefferson Street North, Wadena, Minnesota. Next, we have our Glendon branch nestled at 122 State Street Northeast, right in the heart of Glendon, Minnesota. And last but not least, our Marshall branch located at 1420 East College Drive, Marshall, Minnesota. At Cow's Motor Group, we're proud to offer a wide array of vehicles to suit every lifestyle and preference. Looking for a sleek new car to cruise around town? We've got you covered. Need a rugged truck or a spacious SUV for your outdoor adventures? You'll find it here. But that's not all. We also have glacier ice houses for those who love a good fishing expedition. And for the off-road enthusiasts, we offer a range of UTVs and ATVs to get your adrenaline pumping. And let's not forget about our golf carts, perfect for a leisurely day on the course or a fun ride around the neighborhood. We even offer customizations, including a selection of rims to make your golf cart truly one of a kind. Into eco-friendly transportation? Check out our e-bikes, perfect for a quick trip around town or a scenic ride in the countryside. And when winter rolls around, you'll be glad to know we have snowmobiles to help you embrace the snowy season with excitement. Our snowmobiles are ready to take you on an exhilarating ride through the winter wonderland. We know that each season brings its own unique adventures, and in Minnesota, we know a thing or two about making the most of winter. When the snow starts falling and the temperatures drop, you can count on Cow's Motor Group to keep you moving. If you're in need of a reliable 4x4 truck to navigate those snowy roads, we've got a fantastic selection for you to choose from. At Cow's Motor Group, we understand that purchasing a vehicle is a big decision. That's why we offer flexible financing options to make your dream vehicle more accessible than ever. But why just take our word for it? Come in and take a test drive today. Feel the rush of driving a new vehicle, explore the customization options for our golf carts, or discuss your financing options with our friendly team. And remember, our service doesn't stop at the sale. We offer on-site service to keep your vehicle running smoothly so you can focus on the joy of the ride. So what are you waiting for? Visit Cow's Motor Group today, and let's get you behind the wheel of your next adventure.